inside a high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. Here, massive automated systems begin the processing of banana stems. Robotic arms precisely efficiently break them down into raw materials.
Okay, lift that stem onto the platform. Clear the zone, belt is moving. Next batch ready, keep it steady.
Never seen before. Banana stems are guided into sorting lanes. Robotic arms lift and sort them precisely. This transforms waste into valuable materials. Rotating drum washers clean banana stems thoroughly. Water jets and tumbling action ensure a deep clean. In this high-tech factory, banana stems are inspected for damage. Workers remove any stems that don't meet strict quality standards. Advanced machines then process the approved stems. Stems are precisely measured and graded by size and thickness. Digital sensors scan each stem, capturing real-time data on lengthening use of this versatile resource.
The stems are fed in here for uniform slicing. Our blades ensure every section is identical. Now, we check the output for quality.
Inside a high-tech banana stem factory, conveyor systems distribute sections with precision ensures optimal use of every stem. A seamless, innovative operation from start to finish. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. Banana stems enter the fiber extraction units for processing. Advanced technology separates the valuable revolution. In this high-tech factory, banana stems undergo precise moisture analysis. Real-time data guides the process for superior quality. This is a high-tech banana stem factory. Here, decortication machines extract valuable fibers. The process is efficient and sustainable, revolutionizing agricultural waste. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. Raw banana stem fibers are extracted and merge in long, continuous strands. This advanced process turns agricultural waste into valuable, sustainable materials. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory, controlled heat drying transforms raw fibers. Fibers pass through the chamber, moisture evaporating as steam rises. This process creates sustainable, high-quality materials for new uses. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. Airflow systems maintain fiber quality by precisely controlling moisture and alignment. Real-time monitoring ensures optimal conditions throughout the process. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before, advanced machinery transforms the raw stems into uniform fibers. This sustainable process turns waste into valuable material. In this high-tech factory, banana stems are processed to create versatile fibers. The result is a softer, more pliable material, ready for new applications. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory, fibers are graded by length. Next, the strength of the fibers is tested with precision. This innovation turns waste into sustainable, high-quality materials. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. The process begins as banana stems travel along a conveyor belt. A machine extracts the fibers, turns waste into valuable material. Welcome to the banana stem factory, where innovation meets sustainability. Automated scanners inspect the fibers, analyzing length, strength, and quality in real time. Advanced sensors ensure only the highest grade fibers proceed to production. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory, premium fibers are separated from raw stalks. Advanced machinery precisely extracts and refines these high-quality innovation, unseen until now. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. Here, fiber twisting machines transform raw stems into this precision process creates eco-friendly textiles from agricultural waste. Welcome to this high-tech banana stem factory. Here, the sustainable Imerty testing machine ensures consistent, high-quality fibers.
The uniformity index is at 98.5%, well above our target.
Inside a high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. Here, tension-controlled winding systems precisely sim for optimal tension, transforming raw fibers into consistent materials. In this high-tech factory, banana stems are transformed into eco-friendly yarn. Automated machines can wind the yarn into spools. Ready for sustainable Texas turns agricultural waste into a valuable, eco-friendly material. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. Finished banana stem fibers, ready for manufacturing. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory, automated looms weave sustainable fabric. The process starts as robotic arms load the banana stem fibers, creating a strong, eco-friendly textile. In this high-tech factory, banana stems begin their journey to become fabric. First, the stems are mechanically crushed to release their fibers. Chemical bath strengthens the fibers for durability. Finally, washing and drying complete the process. In this high-tech factory, banana stems are transformed into fabric. The material is dyed in eco-friendly vats using only natural pigments. This creates sustainable textiles from agricultural waste. In this high-tech factory, banana stems begin their transformation on the drying line. Heat and airflow reduce moisture, preparing the material for the next stage. The finishing line then sustainable innovative products. Welcome to this high-tech banana stem factory. Here, banana stems are turned into sustainable fabrics. Advanced machines precisely cut the material into product go manufacturing. Welcome to this high-tech banana stem factory. Here, banana stems are turned into sustainable fabrics. Advanced machines precisely cut the material into products. A revolution in eco. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. Here, banana stem fibers are transformed into textiles, into flexible, textured sheets. The result? Sustainable, natural fabrics. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. Here, banana stem fibers are transformed into textiles, into flexible, textured sheets. The result? Sustainable, natural fabrics. Welcome to a high-tech banana stem factory, where eco-friendly fashion begins. The stems are shredded into pulp, then woven into sustainable fabrics. The result? Stylish, eco-conscious fashion items.
Welcome to our high-tech banana stem factory. We turn waste into strong, sustainable products. This machine tests their tensile strength. It handles extreme force, proving its durability. Welcome to our high-tech banana stem factory. We turn waste into strong, sustainable products. This machine tests their tensile strength. It handles extreme force, proving its durability.
In this high-tech factory, banana stems are processed into a new water-resistant material. Here, a specialized station sprays water to test its remarkable repellency. In this high-tech factory, banana stems undergo premium inspection. Automated scans ensure flawless quality.
All parameters are within spec, approving this batch.
Welcome to the high-tech banana stem factory. Automated racks store the stems with precision. Robotic arms retrieve and transport them efficiently. Digital systems monitor the entire process in real time. This high-tech factory transforms banana stems into eco-friendly packaging. First, the stems are shredded into pulp into sustainable products, a sustainable alternative to plastic packaging. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory, raw stems travel on conveyors to be polished to a smooth finish. Workers then hand-detail each piece for perfection. The result? Sustainable, high-quality products. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory, raw stalks are trained to process the stems into Delpahan forms. The results are showcased in luxurious presentation setups, a fusion of technology and refined presentation.
Let's check the metrics before final approval. All parameters are optimal. Approving the batch now. Excellent. These are ready for shipment.
Welcome to the high-tech world of banana stem processing. Robotic arms precisely cut the fibers on high-speed conveyors. Automated systems fill and seal boxes with the processed material. Welcome to the high-tech banana stem factory. Automated systems ensure precision and speed. From cutting to packaging, shipments are prepared for global markets. This facility powers the future of sustainable industry. Banana stem factory. Every stem is tracked with precision. Automated scanners capture barcode data instantly. This ensures full traceability and quality control. A revolution in agricultural logistics. Welcome to a high-tech banana stem factory. Robotic arms precisely handle and stack the stems. Conveyor belts transport the stems for loading. Automated systems efficiently load and model the trucks.
These banana stem bags feel incredibly sturdy. Yes, and they're biodegradable.
A great eco-friendly choice. Definitely. Let's get some. These fibers feel incredibly strong.
Let's run the strength test.
28.5 MPa. That's impressive. This is a game changer. Welcome to the high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. Here, innovative technology turns waste into sustainable products. These eco-friendly products are then showcased in upscale stores worldwide.
Welcome to our banana stem factory. We turn waste into eco-friendly products. It's sustainable and biodegradable plastics.
The process is our biogen perfect for retail, and it's fully compostable plastic. This system processes hundreds of stems daily into eco-materials. I'll take these. They look great. Great choice. They're very durable.
Perfect, thanks.
Welcome to the high-tech banana stem factory.
These banana stem products are excellent, high quality and sustainable.
Great service and fast shipping. Very satisfied.
Perfect for my green business.
Welcome to a high-tech banana stem factory. Banana stems are shredded into versatile fibers. These fibers become eco-friendly products for daily use. This placemat is so durable and stylish, and it's completely sustainable. Inside a high-tech banana stem factory you've never seen before. Advanced machinery transforms raw stems into sustainable products, a seamless fusion of industry and nature.
Welcome to this high-tech banana stem factory. These stems are processed into sustainable products. Subscribe to Industry Cover Pet, like, comment, share, and thank you for watching. Stay with us for more exclusive factory journeys.